What is your opinion of the increase in the price here?
I find the new price totally unacceptable. I won't eat breakfast here anymore.
I will dine here less often.
I really enjoy the food here. I'll continue to come here every afternoon.
After the recent price increase, we have had a drop in the number of breakfasts sold, but an increase in total revenue.
If you were one of the restaurant's customers, would you reduce your consumption there in response to the price increases? Must the total revenue of a good increase when its price is increased?